Deep in New Mexico, the mysterious Taos hum has puzzled scientists and residents for decades. A persistent low-grade droning or rumbling, typically 32 to 80 hertz, like a distant diesel engine. Yet only 2% of locals hear it, suffering headaches and sleeplessness, while recorders detect nothing. Despite Los Alamos investigations, no external source found, leading to theories from natural phenomena to government experiments. The Taos hum remains an enduring enigma, challenging our understanding of sound and perception.